Today, all new, the 18-year-old girl who endures the horrible Cineplex ticketing interface. 2 days later, she comes forward for the first time. Now, she reveals her tragic story that changed her life forever.
I really wanted to watch that Pooh movie.
Today on The Mo Show. Hello, and welcome to The Mo Show. Today, we have a special story of a girl who endured a horrible design interface. Here's her story. The date was April 1st, 2012, where Rainy Chung, an 18-year-old SFU student, tried to purchase tickets to the highly anticipated film Winnie the Pooh and Friends. Due to the long lines for this highly anticipated film, she decides to use the Cineplex ticketing machines to buy her ticket. Little did she know that her life would never be the same. The machines were not efficient, and making changes to her ticketing options was impossible. No back button was available, and pressing cancel took Rainy back to the starting page. Payment instructions were impossible to follow, and if she didn't interact with the screen, it would take her back to the starting screen again. Rainy was not able to purchase her tickets in the end. Due to her frustrations of missing her Pooh movie, Rainy became lonely and depressed. Luckily, a group of highly intelligent designers have redesigned the interface for better efficiency and usability. Everyone, please welcome Rainy Chung. So, I understand that you've been through a lot.
I really wanted to watch that Pooh movie.
Okay, we have a surprise for you. We have 2 new redesigned interfaces for you.
Really?
Here.
Okay, cool. Today, yes, I'm gonna watch Lorax. Select the time. Oh, the time and the quantity is on the same page. That's cool. Credit. What if I want to make changes? It has a cancel button here. Oh, hey, it works. I can go back.
So here's the second prototype.
Oh, okay. Thank you. The instructions are pretty friendly and clear. Oh, there's a brief description of the movie. And oh, there's a back button in every page. And pay credit.
What do you think?
I think it's really good. They better implement this soon.
Don't worry, they will. So we'll have Serena Leung, the UX designer of the new interfaces, give an analysis of the results gained from user testing after the break. Let's welcome Serena Leung. So Serena, what were you looking for when you were testing out these wonderful interfaces?
We were trying to test our design hypotheses, which are the addition of tabs which will allow users to quickly maneuver through the interface, allowing changes to be easily made. We wanted to reduce the number of pages and flips and clicks by removing unnecessary elements and options from the interface, which will increase the efficiency.
So how did you conduct these studies?
We have tested the 2 interfaces on 6 different participants from ages 19 to 25. We split the participants into 2 groups. One will test prototype A first, and the other group will test prototype B. A designated task is given to the participants to perform on both prototypes. During the testing, we observed and timed the participants and counted the number of errors they ran into during the process. Afterwards, we interviewed them to find out what they thought about the prototypes.
What did you observe?
In prototype A, we observed that most of our users paused for a little while before realizing the tabs are actually functional buttons for them to navigate back to previous steps to make changes. In prototype B, users tended to run into technical difficulties with the selection of the ticket quantity. This graph shows the time spent by users on completing their task in each prototype. As you can see, most participants spent more time on prototype B than in prototype A. Participants also ran into more errors in prototype B.
So, were you able to prove your design hypotheses?
Yes, we did. For the first hypothesis, users expressed that it was very easy and simple to make changes through tabs and navigation, but they suggested to make the tabs more evident that they are actually applicable. In terms of efficiency, the participants can complete the task as little as 30 seconds, whereas in the old interface, it took at least 3 minutes to perform the same given task. This proves that our machine is indeed increased in efficiency.
Which interface are you planning to implement?
We decided to use prototype A as the new Cineplex interface with several changes made to the interface. Tabs will be made more obvious that they are interactive, and an addition of back button will be incorporated since a back button is more intuitive to most users.
What made your interface better than competitors?
So we looked at the Kodak picture kiosk. Their payment instructions aren't very clear, so clearly ours is the best.
So thank you, Serena Leung, for your detailed analysis. So that concludes today's show. Thank you for watching The Mo Show. Catch us next time, and have a good day.